Install toner in your HP LaserJet 1020 printer quickly and correctly with this step-by-step guide. In this video, we show you how to remove the old toner cartridge, prepare the new cartridge, and install it properly for smooth printing and better print quality. Whether your printer is fading, showing blank pages, or needs a toner replacement, this tutorial will help you get your HP LaserJet 1020 back to working perfectly. In this video, how to open the HP LaserJet 1020 printer, removing the old toner cartridge, installing a new toner cartridge correctly, tips to avoid printing issues, testing the printer after installation, compatible toner cartridges, check HP 12A, Q2612A. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more printer repair and maintenance tutorials. Hashtag HP1020, hashtag HP LaserJet 1020, hashtag toner installation, hashtag printer repair, hashtag HP printer, hashtag toner replacement, hashtag printer tutorial.